Hey guys, Lozza from Crashpad here again. Look, we're pottering around in the shed and we've decided, let's give everyone a look or a quick insight into our Crashpad Tool Roll. So, this is a really awesome and simple product that you should have with you everywhere. This lives in my cruiser. When I get out here and I jump on the bike and I head up the scrub, I throw it in the back. It goes everywhere with me. It's got all my basic and essential tools. I'll unroll it, I'll show you a few of the features, and you'll probably be convinced that it's as great as I think it is. So, firstly you'll notice how many tools that I can fit in here. This is what I carry. You could arrange this however you like. There are even people who we've seen that use it as their kitchen utensil wrap. So put in whatever you like, but this is what I carry. I've got shifters, I've got screwdrivers, there's Allen keys and other pliers and assorted stuff in the end here. And I carry a whole 1/2-inch drive socket set in the top end. So another great thing is that all these 3 satchels are removable. So I decide I need my sockets up the back, I'm out. It's that simple. Grab it and go. One of the other great things is the big flap we've got on the back here. You're in the dust, you're on the side of the Gibb River Road, wherever you are. You don't want to lose sockets and shifters. You're throwing tools everywhere. You're not going to lose them. It's going to keep everything tidy and neat and ready for you when you're done. Now, guys, jump online, have a look at the reviews, decide for yourself, but this is an awesome product. I love it. Cheers.